Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for learning English and improving yourself. Setting simple goals and achieving them. This skill will help you become better at English and feel good about your progress. Let's begin. What is a goal? First, let's understand what a goal is. A goal is something you want to do or achieve. It's like a target you want to hit. In English, we often use the word goal when we talk about sports, especially football or soccer. The players try to kick the ball into the goal, but we also use this word for things we want to achieve in life or in our studies. For example, a goal in football. Score more points than the other team. A goal in English learning. Speak English for 10 minutes every day. Both of these are goals, but today we're focusing on goals for learning English. Why are goals important? Setting goals is very important when you're learning something new, like English. Here's why. 1. Goals give you direction. They help you know what to do next. 2. Goals keep you motivated. When you have a goal, you have a reason to keep studying. 3. Goals help you see your progress. You can look back and see how far you've come. 4. Goals make you feel good. When you reach a goal, you feel happy and proud. How to set simple goals. Now, let's learn how to set simple goals for learning English. Remember, we want to make our goals easy to understand and achieve. Here are the steps. 1. Think about what you want to do in English. Do you want to speak better? Read more? Learn new words? 2. Make your goal small and easy. Don't try to do too much at once. Small steps are better. 3. Be specific. Say exactly what you want to do. This makes your goal clear. 4. Set a time. Decide when you want to achieve your goal. This helps you stay on track. 5. Write your goal down. Writing helps you remember and commit to your goal. Let's practice making goals with some examples. Bad goal. Learn English. This is too big and not specific. Good goal. Learn 5 new English words about food this week. This is small, specific, and has a time limit. Bad goal. Watch English videos. This is not specific and doesn't have a time limit. Good goal. Watch one 5-minute English video every day for a month. This is specific, has a clear time, and is easy to do. Examples of simple English learning goals. Here are more examples of good simple goals for A2 level English learners. 1. Read one short English story, 100-200 words, every week for a month. 2. Write 3 sentences in English about your day, every day for 2 weeks. 3. Learn how to say the days of the week and months in English by next Monday. 4. Have a 5-minute conversation in English with a friend or language partner twice a week. 5. Listen to one English song and write down 5 words you hear, every week for a month. 6. Practice saying the alphabet in English for 2 minutes every day for a week. 7. Learn 3 new phrases for ordering food in English by the end of the month. 8. Watch an English movie with subtitles in your language, then watch it again with English subtitles. Remember, these goals are small and specific. They're perfect for A2 level learners because they focus on basic vocabulary, simple conversations, and everyday topics.